G'day everyone, this is cleaning and servicing charcoal filter. So see on the left, it's dirty as, on the right it's clean as. We'll end up with that. This is the intake, so it's real dirty. Look at all the hairy shit on the inside. So if you have all the hairy shit, you're not going to get a nice sticky icky like this. You're going to have hairs and bad shit on it. So what you can do, to activate it, you use calcium chloride or lemon juice, and then you'll grind up your charcoal, put them together, soak them, put them in the oven, dry them out. That's how you activate it. You do that probably, you want to do it every couple of years, because otherwise things won't stick anymore, the smells. So look, when I give this a bit of a brush, you can see what's going to come off. See, watch in front of the lens, you see all the dust filters, dust particles. Look at them all floating around like a trippy little mystery fairy little thing. So to pick all them up, I've got to get the vacuum out. So I just go and slowly, when I start, I'll dislodge them with the toothbrush and let the vacuum pick it up. So you can see this is going to take ages, so I'll get a bit more efficient here. Come on, pick up your act. Yeah, that's better. Nen. Oh yeah. Yep, get stuck into it in the corners, everywhere. It's pretty hard, you'll see. Probably use a better bristles. My toothbrush might have been a little bit old, possibly. But yeah, you don't want to also pierce the outside membrane, which is holding in your activated charcoal. All the black shit will piss out everywhere, and that's messy as and dirty. It really stains. Actually, no, it doesn't stain. Alright, there we go. Look, is it done? No, it's not. Not real happy about that. There's a bit of a white hue to it. Yeah, I know, still got to do the inside. Yes, there's two sides, I realise. And now I'm just going to get rid of the bit of shit from the outside, because I wasn't quite happy. So I'm just going to use gravity. Use gravity as my friend and let it roll down. Just give it a quick little scrub and spin before I get onto the inside. Scrub, spin, that's it. Into the edges, because the edges are pretty full on. See the white there? You can see the white hue. So that was well and truly worthwhile doing it a second time. There you go, is that a bit better? Give us a look, come on. Now, see, still bits of white in there, so it's alright. It's better than what it started with. Yeah, now look at the outside. See the bottom down there? How it's dirty and the middle bit's not? Wow. Alright, well, see how I stick the vacuum head in, and then I've got the toothbrush inside, and I'm just trying to dislodge it that way, and then the vacuum head will pick up all of the shit that's going outside of the, where anyway. So I'm kind of trying to build a pattern here, because it's pretty hard to get it done. So I just build a square and turn round, build a square and turn round, and try and do it. And if anything, I probably overdid it. See how it's nice, there's no lines there. It's pretty unique, pretty even throughout it. And the outside, it's better. There's not much white there, so that's pretty cool. And this is the servicing date, so you can see how many times I've done it. So it works over and over, many times. Not too bad at all. And if it doesn't, your sticky icky like this will end up with all hair and shit in it. And you don't want that. Well, I don't want that. And this is that's the photo that I laid on the side to make it look a bit better. Thanks for watching. Happy breeding, happy growing to you.